Good day, everyone. This is chapter 5 of Purposive Communication, which is communication aids and strategies using tools of technology. So, effective communication strategies. So, effective communications are vital to achieve the goals and objectives of the course or career, whether trying to improve services and the building level, secure funding at the district level, or shape policies at the national level. So, very important daw po ang effective communication when it comes to different groups. So, first is imbibe leadership roles in communication. Okay? Knowing and reaching out to key audience or stakeholders or yung mga tagapakinig. Okay? Recognizing communications opportunities, developing and conveying key messages. Next is providing useful, relevant information to group or individual. So, leadership role, okay? Determine key message areas. Developing clear, memorable messages are critical to effective communication. So, determining what your most important message are, depending on the goal and the specific situation. But there are a few global issues that are central to the profession. So, dapat po, alam mo, ano yung mga key points na gusto mong iparating sa kanila. Huwag ka nang paligoy-ligoy. Dapat malinaw at dapat yung tatatak sa kanila. Okay? Yung message. Hindi lang basta lang meron kang nasabi, dapat meron po silang matututunan or makukuha dun sa message na gusto mong i-convey. So, paano daw po mag-develop ng message? First is identify your target. Yan. So, just like last time, no, sa chapter 4 na discuss natin, sino yung mga audience mo, dito naman po, ganun din. Sino ba yung mga gusto mong tagapakinig? Okay? So, consider your audience's level of knowledge or awareness. Ano ba yung level of thinking nila? Okay? At hanggang saan yung kaalaman nila. That's why, dun mo makikita, gusto ko yung susulat ko or yung message na convey ko is magkaroon pa ng awareness yung mga tagapakinig ko. Okay? Next is primary concern or expectations. Dapat daw po ma-deliver mo or maibigay mo yung expectation na hinahanap sa'yo ng iyong mga tagapakinig. Okay? Or yung mga audience. Okay? Perspective. Next is possible barriers to understanding and ability or livelihood to take actions. Next one po. Focus on your objectives. Ano ba ang purpose ng iyong pagsusulat? Para kanino ba yung sinusulat mo? So, dapat alam mo ano ang objectives or meron kang isa-set na objectives para sa huli, alam mo kung nakuha mo ba yon or na-set mo ba or na-achieve mo ba yung set na objectives na ginawa mo. Okay? Raise awareness of your roles, values to students or adults. Okay? Or to specific issues. Increase your involvement, effectiveness on an issue. Build support for specific policies or resources needed. And encourage parents, teachers, students to act. So, it depends upon you, no? Kung ano yung objectives na gusto mong iparating. Be relevant. This is how to be relevant. Ano daw? Relate the issues to a school, district, or this division context. Okay? Kung ano yung trend ngayon, pwede mo i-relate dun. Okay? Include some supporting points about what the parents, teachers, students can do. And provide your contact information. Next is be clear and concise. Paano daw po? Okay? Pick your main point. Huwag ka nang paligoy-ligoy. Kung ano yung gusto mong i-set or kung ano yung gusto mong iparating, dapat sabihin mo na agad or ilagay mo na agad siya, isama mo na siya agad dun sa ipapublish mo na text or message. Okay? Provide specific suggestions, provide personal examples na mas makaka-relate yung ibang or yung mga tagapakinig mo, use audience appropriate language. Okay? So kung ang mga kausap mo or ang target mo ay mga professionals, dapat yung gagamitin mo na language is yung professional din, hindi yung pangkanto na salita. No? Pero kung ang audience mo ay sa tingin mo maiintindihan nila yung language na yun, pwede naman po. No? It depends upon you. Pero dapat po appropriate dun sa audience. Okay? Yung maiintindihan po nila agad. Okay? Be consistent to the point you make. Okay? Emphasize the importance of prevention and early intervention. And identify the link between the issue, the topic, and the learning and behavior. Okay? Kung ano po yung gusto mong iparating, that ipakita mo na yun talaga. Okay? Kumaga, papanagutan mo yung iyong gustong iparating na message. Okay? That is for chapter 5. Okay? I hope na meron po kayong natutunan, no? When it comes to developing your message. Ang importante naman po is meron po kayo or naging effective po kayo when it comes to conveying, no? Yung inyong mga ideas and messages na gustong iparating sa inyong mga audio. Okay? Sana po ay magamit nyo yung mga strategies na ito, no? When you are going to convey your message. So I hope next meeting, nandito pa rin kayo para makinig for chapter 6. So this is chapter 5. So see you next time. Okay, goodbye po.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.